Everybody that comes to incarnation, to this world, he makes a promise that is his duty and responsibility for the life that he's going to live. In ancient wisdom, this promise, this responsibility that he's holding for his life is called dharma. People have difficulty to translate this term. But this term is very, very special in the teaching. And the teaching says that whenever a man is coming or woman is coming into incarnation, he receives his responsibility and duty before he is incarnated. And this is his dharma, his duty, his responsibility. And some people, when they are born, they intuitively or instinctively follow this dharma. Some people totally forget it because of the mixture of the life that they live. But some people remember their dharma from childhood. For example, Master Morya speaking about Urusvati or Helena Rorik, he says that from childhood, she knew what she was going to do. And it's so beautiful that if everybody here or in the world, if they knew what promises they did, what responsibilities and duties they took before incarnation, the world would be something totally different. So in this case, every father, before his birth, he receives his dharma from his solar angel. His solar angel gives the goal of his life, the plan of his life. And if it is impressed really good in his brain, in his mind, that man becomes the fulfillment of his dharma.